MNF sorkar khan resolution hmanga FCAA 2023 an lo oppose to Chief Minister Pulal Duhoma'n dawt CM Pu Duhoma'n. Indian form of government hi chuang thuma kalania. Three pillars tian ni bok. Legislature, executive le judiciary ten ni. Legislature hian dan siam na le ram in rail ball na in kai shoi na lama boy puya. Executive hian legislature 10 dan an siam la in kai shoi na tura an ro rel ken ko turin na an thok we thum tur ania. Judiciary chuan thu buai la buai chin fel lam athok ani. Pulal Duhoma'n khan dawt a seilo. Rule 137 of the Rules of Procedures and Conduct of Business in the food angin a copy kan pen cheu. Sessional resolution te hi Legislative Assembly in official in state sorkara a hriat tur ania. Chumiang chuan FCAA 2023 opposed na resolution po kha Chief Secretary Government of Mizoram pekani. Lok Sabha po hriat an ni bok. Lok Sabha hi legislature kan parent body ania. Legislative information te hi librarian lo wan that turin pek ve thin an ni. Han sai thi de ulakila. Legislature lamin Chief Secretary Government of Mizoram a hriat khan Mizoram sorkarin ati tur ain chan chia ani. Sorkar kalta khan hemi pialum hi hemi bak hi amalak na hriat ani lo. Hei Chief Minister Pulal Duhoma'n sorkar kalta khan ma alo ati lai akhani. He resolution hi kan chiari simship tenga aselo boka. Rule number 137 hi. A copy of every resolution which has been passed by the Assembly shall be forwarded to the Government of Mizoram, and actions taken on the resolutions having statutory effects should be reported to the Assembly Secretariat before the next session. Assembly Secretariat lamin Assembly House at Thurel. Legislative information apekha sarkar executive malak na nena say polchi ni na lang low. Parukna House proceedings sa thupa